I found you. Two worlds collided. I see forever in your eyes. You're everything.
Today is the day that I fulfill that answer. Today is the fruition of that promise, not just for me, not just to your classmates back then, not just to your parents, but to God and to you.
Who would have thought na isang simpleng follow lang sa Instagram ang magdadala sa atin dito? 8 years later, standing in front of God, ready to say I do.
Hi love, here's my gift for you. It represents the time we will spend together. I wish you could wear it on our special day. I love you. See you later.
Forever. You and I will be together.
One time, tinanong ako ng mga classmates mo dati sa Star Mall, bakit daw kita nililigawan? And the answer that I gave them was, para makasama ka in the future, bilang partner ko.
I promise to love you, and every day your heart beats mine. I will love you forever.
Thank you, love. Thank you for your gift. Magagamit ko talaga ito sa pagtuturo. Thank you po. Love you.
Christian and Cecil, sa harap ng Diyos, sa harap ng iyong pamilya at mga kaibigan, kayo ay iisa na. Huwag niyo hahayaan anumang problema, pangarap o sino man ang maging sagabal sa inyong pagsasama.
The first time you smiled, I knew it was real. A love so deep, something I could feel. A bond so strong, so pure, so
I
true.
promise to love you, not just for the next 8 years, but for all the years God will give us.
Thank you, love. Makakaasa ka. Susuotin ko to later. Ang ganda.
I'll love you forever, through all we've been through. In every moment, I'll stay right beside you. I'll love you more with every breath I take. You're the reason my heart beats. For your love I'll wait. I'll love you forever, through the highs and the lows. With you by my side, love only grows. Like a star in the sky, shining so bright. I'll love you forever, all through my life.
December 26, 2016, naghahanap lang talaga ako ng followers nun eh. Honest ako doon. Siyempre, in-accept kita and of course, follow ka. Hindi ka pa nakontento. In-add mo pa ako sa Facebook. Kasi gandang-ganda ka talaga sa akin eh. Ewan ko ba?
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past the moonbound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you. If I could fall into the sky, do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight.
Salamat sa Panginoon dahil nagkakilala si Mama at si Papa. At ako yung pinakamagandang anak.
And I don't wanna let you know I drown in your memory. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, making my way through the crowd. And I still need you.
Hindi akin mag-message sa Facebook. Thanks for accepting my friend request. Kilig naman si Ate Girl. Pero ngayon, na-realize ko na ako pala dapat yung mag-thank you sa'yo. Kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko.
'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. If I could fall into the sky, do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles.
Today, I choose you. I choose you. I choose you.
I could just
Always.
hold you.
I love you.